Hello, good morning students. Hope all of you are very fit and enjoy your study at home. Today our topic of discussion is how to extract data frame from the top or the end. There will be two functions of data frame is there, head and tail. So as you seen in your screen, the head function return the first n rows. Means if you want to extract the rows from the data frame, top 5 rows, top 3 rows, top 6 rows, so you have to use head function. This is the default number of element to display is 5. It means if you don't mention the number of rows, it will automatically take 5 rows. But if you want to 3, if you want to 2, then you have to mention. If you want to 10, you have to mention 10. So similarly, the tail function also used to extract the last n rows. Means if you not mention the number of rows, it will return the 5 last rows. If you want to 2 or 3 rows, you have to mention the 2 and 3, 4, etc. Let's check it out. Import, we have to first import pandas as pd, import numpys as np. The use of numpy is not too much here, so you have, if you ignore it, it will be no problem. Your program will be executed smoothly. So then that's import pandas as pd. We have to import the panda library because of data frame is related to pandas. Now we have to create a dictionary of series. We have to create a dictionary, and in dictionary there is a lot of series. Like we have a keys name, and the values of that key is Tom, James, Ricky, Vin, Steve, Smith, and Jack. There is a 7 names are there. Then age, PD is again a series. There is a various type of age. Then rating, now another series, and there is a different ratings. Now close the dictionary, then the dictionary has been closed. Now we have to create a data frame. Now how to create a data frame? Df is equal to pd dot data frame d. What is d? D is actually a dictionary which has all the data. Now print our data frame is. Now we have to print the data frame. What type of data has been stored in data frame. Now if we want to first 2 rows from the data frame, then we have to print df dot head, because हमें पहली 2 रो निकालनी है, that's why we use head. Now check it this program into our Python spider. I have pasted this item here. तो हम चेक करते हैं कि इसका आउटपुट क्या होगा. देखिए हमने सब कुछ सेम ऐसे रखा है. डिक्शनरी बनाई है जिसमें 7 नेम्स हैं. देयर इज एज एंड रेटिंग्स. तो वी हैव क्रिएट डेटा फ्रेम df. नाउ printing data frame and then print head function. So I have executed this, and now the outputs look like this. I will give you the bigger view. This is the bigger view of your output. Means index, because we have not given any index, so it means it will take the index automatically, and it will start with 0, 1, 2, 3 and 6, because 7 item is there, so then index is 0 from and up to 6. Then here all names, all age, all ratings. Now the first 2 rows of the frame is name, हमने निकाला Toms and James. This is the first 2 rows we have printed here using head functions. Similarly, if you want to print the, अगर हमें लास्ट की 2 rows चाहिए तो हम क्या करेंगे? We have change her tail. हम यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे? टेल लिखेंगे. जैसे ही हमने यहाँ बताया था, there is a tail function. यहाँ आप लिखेंगे it will return the last n rows. मीन्स जितनी आपको रो चाहिए लास्ट की, you have to. तो we have control save, हमें सेव करना है. Now execute करते हैं. It will be executed. It will take some time to execute. Now the result is here. So this is your our data frame is, जो हमने मैसेज डिस्प्ले किया था, it will also display. Now we have, I will show the bigger view, that is the bigger view. This is your data frame. Now the last two rows is there, 5 and 6. Now this is 5 and 6 using tail function. Okay, this is how to extract data from top, and if we not mention here 2, हम यहाँ पर 2 को मेंशन नहीं करते हैं, what will be the result? ठीक है, we will check. यहाँ पर हम चेक कर लेते हैं, रन कर लेते हैं. This is your output. And the first 2 rows, हमने जो मैसेज डाला था यहाँ पर 2 rows है, बट हमने यहाँ पर 2 rows नहीं किया है. तो यहाँ हम देखेंगे तो हमने रिकी, तो इट विल टेक लास्ट 5 rows. तो लास्ट 5 rows कौन सी होती हैं? जैक, स्मिथ, स्टीव, विन, रिकी, फ्रॉम रिकी टू जैक. तो यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे तो रिकी से लेकर जैक तक इसने 5 rows को, लास्ट की रो को पिकअप कर लिया. सिमिलरली अगर हम यहाँ पर हेड लिखते हैं तो भी आपको यहाँ पर दिखेगा. हेड हम यूज कर लेते हैं, that is head. Now control save and now execute. So here you will see the 5 top rows. This will how we have to use head and tail function, which is very similar to both are similar. Thank you, have a nice day.